Hello lovers and friends, a warm welcome to Financial Freedom with Honeybee. My name is Malwanda Hanabe, and on this channel I'm taking you guys through my personal journey to financial freedom. So on this channel I talk everything financial freedom. So please note that anything that I say in this channel doesn't constitute financial advice. If you are looking for the services of a financial advisor, please be in contact with a registered qualified financial advisor. So today I want us to look at tax-free savings account. So I own a tax-free savings account, and the reason that I have a tax-free savings account is to protect my wealth from tax. So in South Africa, if you are an individual that is paying tax, if you get interest rate from anywhere where you make 23,800 per annum, if you are less than 65, that money needs to be taxable. So if you are above 65, they give you a tax exemption for the first 34,500. So if you make 34,501 cent, you need to start paying tax on that income or on that interest income. So to protect your wealth, that's why we have a tax-free savings account, so that you can have a maximum of 500,000 that you can contribute into a tax-free savings account, and you can earn interest on that account and not pay tax on it. So how it works is, on your lifetime, as I said, you already know that you can only contribute 500,000 on your lifetime, and how it works is you can only contribute 36,000 per annum onto that account. So every year or every tax year you can only contribute 36,000 rand. So in South Africa, a tax year starts from the 1st of March to the end of Feb. So from the 1st of March to the end of Feb, you can only contribute 36,000 rand. So if you contribute more than 36,000 rand, just know that when it's time to pay tax, SARS will penalize you, because they will see that you've contributed above the available or the allowable threshold. So make sure that you do not contribute more than 36,000 rand per annum. So how tax on interest work is, if you make that money, if you are less than 65 like myself, if you make interest of 23,800, 40% of that you have to pay tax on it. So if you've made 23,801 cent, it will be 23,801 cent times 40% times the tax bracket that you fall under, and then that balance is the money that you will pay SARS for tax. So to protect yourself from paying tax, that's the reason we have a tax-free savings account. So please note, a tax-free savings account, you do not save for a car there, you do not save for an emergency there, you do not save for your house or anything that you want in the short term. And the reason for this is, if you take out money from your tax-free savings account, you cannot come back later and chop it up. So they only allow you to make that 36,000 per annum. So if you take out money, you cannot come later or next year or the other year and say, okay, I want to replace the money that I've taken out. You cannot do that, because they basically keeps on adding from what you've added. So everything that you put onto the account, it adds. They don't look at what you are removing on the side. So everything that you are adding into that account must add up to that 500,000. So you cannot take money and replace it later. So do not use a tax-free savings account as a short-term savings, because it defeats the purpose of having a tax-free savings account. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys, that a tax-free savings account is a must-have to protect your wealth from tax. So how you get a tax-free savings account: banks, commercial banks, they do have tax-free savings account. Also Easy Equities, you can buy ETFs from Easy Equities on your tax-free savings account. So yeah, you can basically shop around and see where you can get the maximum interest rate possible on a tax-free savings account. So if you don't know how interest rate and inflation rate works, please check out the video that I've uploaded and familiarize yourself with how interest rate and inflation rate works, so that when you are choosing your tax-free savings account, you choose one where your interest rate that you earn will be able to beat your inflation rate, so that your money doesn't lose value, so that you can getting richer and richer per second or per minute or per day without losing value on your money. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys on this video. Love you lots. Please subscribe to this channel and like my video, and also follow me on my Instagram page is FF with Honeybee. I also share some of the tips on how I'm journeying through this financial freedom so that we can journey together, exchange ideas, exchange learnings, and basically win together. So yeah, love you lots. I will see you guys on the next video.